In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Gemini live option not showing. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Gemini application. You can see over here Gemini application has been opened. So if the live option is not showing on Gemini, you can do few things in order to fix it. So what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So what you have to do is simply scroll down and find this option for settings and tap on it. Now after you do that, what you have to do is find the option for languages and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to select the language. Now what you have to do is make sure the language selected is English. So what you have to do is make sure the language that you select is English. You can see over here English United States is selected for me. Make sure to select this language for you too. If you have any other languages, make sure to remove them. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, there might be some problem caused because of the app cache. So in order to fix that, clear the cache of the app, launch open app library of your device. Find this application for Gemini and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of Gemini. Simply tap on this option storage and cache. Now you can see two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now the cache of this app will be cleared. Now your problem should be solved. If the live option is still not available for you, what you have to do is simply try updating this app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Gemini. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Gemini and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and the application will be updated. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, there might be some problems in your account itself. Make sure you have the personal Google account. Workspace accounts may not have the access. Also make sure the age of your Google account is 18 plus. It is a strict requirement. After you do all that, if your problem is still not fixed, what you have to do is simply restart your device. Long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. After you do that, the temporary software glitches will be fixed and your problem should be fixed too, and you should be able to find the option for live. So that is how you fix Gemini live option not showing. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.